When I, the consciousness, forget that I am consciousness and take the stand of the person called Ekta. Ekta has a desire, I want to eat pizza. No pizza opportunity throughout the day. It's late in the night, Ekta goes to sleep. Memory is still there. Memory of what? The desire. That is all that is remaining. There was no pizza. There is no Ekta also. Yes. Once the dream state starts, there is no Ekta, the person who had the desire. There is simply the memory retained. Where is memory retained? By knowingness itself. Knowingness has all the knowledge. The source is what has projected the ray of light. Correct? So the source is the bank, the power bank that stores all this light, that has that light, from which the light projects. Clear? So the memory belongs to the source. Memory does not belong to this body, mind person called Ekta. Yeah? Otherwise, there would be a place on your body somewhere. Oh, this is the little drawer of memory. I have a key, I open, there all the memories are stored. Do you find something like that? There's nothing like that on the body, there's nothing like that in thought or mind. Yeah? Memory is something which is a term coined by the waking state to understand knowingness. It cannot understand knowingness in its entirety. Yeah? So there are words coined by the waking state mind to try to put knowingness into a box. And the boxes are memory or knowledge, wisdom. Yeah? These are just words. Knowingness cannot be put into words. The part cannot explain the whole. Yeah? The whole is beyond. The entirety, the totality is beyond. That totality has that wisdom, that knowledge as its own ray of light. Yeah? That is what emerges again in the dream state now. The same ray of light that was there in the waking state now, it played in the now and it dissolved. It's not in control of the source even. That same ray of light comes up, starts twinkling, shining again, dances for a while and goes away. It belongs to the source itself. Yeah? That's how you see that you are doing that in the dream, that which you desired in the waking. Yeah. When did I desire? Only when I assumed to be the person. When I'm the consciousness, do I desire? Does the no-thingness of the now desire for something? All of that something, all the somethings are made of nothing. Then why will nothingness desire for nothingness? Does air desire for air? Does water desire for water? No, it's me only. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Like that only, the recognition that I am nothingness, I am the now, and everything is me only, that sucks out the idea of desiring. You do not have to overcome desiring. It will get sucked out. You will only know, oh, there is no more desire arising now. Why? Because there is clarity. I am air. How can I desire air? Oh, how futile. Just like the maturity happened, that you're playing with a doll. It's not real. How immature. And then the doll dropped away. Similarly, desire will drop away at the recognition that it is me only. So, because the desire that arose is me in the waking now, the desire that arose in the dream now is also me. It's the same thing. It's all me.